Cool. So now we're going to come to the last portion where I'm going to. This is just for people if they're experiencing something.
Yeah.
So the short में जैसे कैसे उनको होता है कि how do they protect themselves or debunk things?
Yeah.
First question I want to ask is, do these religious symbols actually protect you?
If you have faith in it, your faith is important.
Okay.
आपका faith बहुत matter करता है. If you have faith, yes, they help. Mantras, religious symbols, affirmations, prayers. Have faith in yourself, and whatever you're believing in, they will work like magic.
So what is the one thing a person should never do if they are in a haunted location?
If they are in a haunted location, or if they don't want to attract entities, negative entities, don't drink or drink less, smoke less, be in consciousness. That's very important. The moment your consciousness goes, our consciousness is directly proportional to our aura. That's our protective shielding that we have. Our consciousness goes down, our aura goes down, you become more vulnerable for manipulation, not just from spirits, but from humans as well. So yeah, that.
Okay. The common thing that is said कि अगर कोई haunted location में आप हो तो perfume, बाल खुला रखना, if a woman is on her period, these are the things that attract the ghost.
No, we do that all. I love using perfumes and have a big collection, and I put all of them when I'm going to haunted location. Only to debunk it, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता. My partner Pooja, she's a girl, she has long hair, she leaves her hair open, she has never tied her hair. We have got people on the tours who have gone doing their cycles as well. It's not about all of those things. All of them, all born from superstitious beliefs. नहीं बोलते थे पहले के ज़माने में आपको बोलते थे परफ्यूम मत लगाओ, क्योंकि जब आप जंगलों में चल के जाओगे, हॉन्टेड लोकेशन में जाओगे, कोई एनिमल होगा, कोई इंसान होगा, एंटी सोशल होंगे, जो कि अगर स्मेल करके दे कैन कम एंड हार्म यू. सम एनिमल्स कैन गेट अट्रैक्टेड टू सर्टेन परफ्यूम्स. सम केमिकली है ना अल्टीमेटली.
Can animals get possessed?
No, they don't. Animals don't get possessed. No.
Okay. The belief that if I am possessed, or if somebody I know is possessed, the only way out is not through medical means like psychology or psychiatrist. It's either they go through exorcism or they die.
No, that doesn't happen at all. Secondly, firstly तो यही है कि पहले confirm it is a possession. Don't go by movies, stories. इसने बोला, मैंने पढ़ा था. Don't use your mind. You have no idea how much medical science has advanced. There are many treatments available, many tests available. आपको पता नहीं है brain का आपका कौन सा part क्या pressure आ रहा है जिसके वजह से आप वैसे react कर रहे हो. Take them to a doctor first. First, that should be the filter. When thousands of tests are done, that is when you know कि क्या issue है. और फिर भी अगर नहीं होता, then it is paranormal. And फिर exorcism बोल दो, cleansing बोल दो, वो उससे हो जाता है. No one dies as such unless there is a medical condition, आपने उसको ignore किया and you went straight to the paranormal one. Then paranormal में उसको नहीं मारा, कहानी बन गई. Movie में हमने देख लिया, demon killed her. No, it was your ignorance to her medical condition that killed that person. Okay.
Some fun questions. What is one advice you would give someone who believes they're experiencing haunting?
Calm down, first of all. Okay. You're normal. You're not crazy. You're not insane. And don't be scared. Don't be scared. That's important.
Do you believe that we all become ghosts after we die?
No, not necessary. Some people realize they are dead and they go to their next assignment of spiritual as it is believed. But those who don't realize are the ones who stay back.
When the religious places, maybe whatever.
Yeah.
It might be a church, it might be a mosque, it might be a temple, it might be a synagogue, whatever. These places actually protect you if you are being haunted or are about to get, or somebody is latched onto you.
Yeah. Not it just doesn't limit to these places. Any place that has a good vibe, positive vibe, it can be your own home for that matter. They will protect you from other foreign entities, yes.
We see in movies like Ghostbusters and all that they can capture the ghosts and keep them in a box.
No,
can you actually capture a ghost?
You can't capture and put them in a box, but certain practitioners, bad ones, they can tie them to something. Like make them forcefully attached to something, like a voodoo doll or something. and use them for their bad purposes. वो हो सकता है, but you can't put them in a bottle and
हाँ
like a genie. नहीं, that you can't do.